Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Wednesday Midweek Pause. It's been a while since I last did this, and today I just want to share a reflection and a Reiki healing about what's been happening around us. Last Sunday, di ba, maraming Pilipino ulit ang nagprotesta laban sa korupsyon sa ating gobyerno. At hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. We observe it also in other countries. We are also witnessing the same irregularities, the abuse of power, self-serving leaders who were meant to serve their people. And I believe this will continue to be exposed because we are all calling for it. Deep inside us, we long for peace, the truth, and true happiness. Pero para mangyari yon, the old abusive system must go. Exposure is not meant to discourage us actually. It is meant to teach us to where things must end. Pero ito ang mahalaga. Ang daan tungo sa totoong peace and justice, hindi lang natatapos sa kalsada, sa Kongreso. Ito ay dapat ipagpatuloy sa ating mga sarili, sa iyo at sa akin. The justice we want out there, we need to practice it in our daily lives. When we treat our body with care instead of abuse, yung kung paano natin inaalagaan ang ating isipan at ating puso, yan ang refleksyon ng justice and kindness sa atin. And when we are kind to ourselves, it becomes natural to extend kindness to others. That too is justice. Sabi nga ni Gandhi, be the change you want to see the world. Kung gusto natin ng mas mapayapa at mas masayang mundo, dapat ito ay magsimula sa ating sarili. Hindi mahirap actually magpakita ng kindness, compassion, love, at forgiveness. But it has to begin from the inside. It's not just a show. Di ba ganun nga yung korupsyon? Na nag-a-act na parang para sa bayan, pero deep inside, self-serving intentions pala. So dapat yung true kindness comes from truth, from humility, from acceptance, and knowing that we are all one. At tandaan, wala namang mas nakatataas at mas nakakababa. Each one of us contributes to a higher purpose, and that purpose is love. At kahit hindi ka lumabas sa kalsada para magprotesta, kasama ka pa rin. The thoughts that we think, the words that we speak, and the actions that we do and choose, they add to the collective energy that is now calling for change. So today I invite you, choose the change that is true, long-lasting, and filled with love. Let it start with us. Let it start with you. Let it start with us. And from here, I want to open myself to be a channel of peace, truth, humility, honesty, and compassion through Reiki healing. We will meditate on the Reiki precepts for ourselves, for our family, for our country, and of course for the whole world. So may I invite you to relax and be in your body. Let's take a moment to close your eyes if they haven't closed yet, and just sit comfortably and relax your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Place your hands in a prayer position and at your heart, and feel the Reiki energy flowing into your body. And in your mind, repeat after me. Just for today, I will not anger. I am at peace. Just for today, I will not worry. I trust. Just for today, I am humble and and grateful. Just for today, I work honestly and joyfully. Just for today, I am kind to myself and to others. I am love. Now, imagine the Reiki energy flowing within you, spreading to your family, flowing outward to our country and community, and to the whole world. The peace within you is the peace that we seek. We are the change we seek. Take another deep breath and exhale. Put your hands gently on your lap, palms down, and breathe in and breathe out. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes. You may repeat this meditation anytime or include it in your daily prayers. This is your midweek pause, a reminder that the peace we long for out there begins inside each one of us.